Running operation. After preparation, loading in wire spool and fix well the workpiece. Please arrange for it according to the following. Load electrode wire in. 1. Load in the proper size of electrode wire spool. 2. Follow the wire traveling drawing stick on machine and get wire threading okay. 3. Selection of a proper wire diameter depends on minimum demand at corner turn and the thickness of workpiece. Wire traveling speed. 1. The wire traveling speed feed rate will be better to feed from low speed under low sparking energy to high speed, high machining energy for the reason of wire saving. Wire electrode tension. 1. The proper wire tension and wire feeding speed shall depend on wire diagram, wire material, machining energy, cutting mode. Vertical checking for wire electrode. 1. Use alignment jig to ensure XY plane and the UV plane are vertical to each other. 2. Repeat to measure alignment 2 to 3 times. It's okay if the error is less than 5 μ. Refer to 455 alignment instruction. Install workpiece. 1. Clean the contact face of workpiece and work table and the grease rusty surface on workpiece. 2. Parallel the reference face of workpiece with moving XY plane by dial gauge. Position inspection. 1. How to find the center position. Seeking hole center of slot center. Wire threading well. Set WT at 10 and WF at 9. Make sure vert button already pressed. Jack stable to keep wire and distance away from contact. Probing face of workpiece. Press auto detecting button, hole center or slot center, etc. Wire will start to feed at this time and 7 volts H-fine voltage found. Give an approach direction, plus minus X or plus minus Y to start to auto edge find. 2. How to position the edge point or say edge finding. Set wire well. Approach to the edge face around 5 mm. Press edge find button in the direction as the above mentioned. Wire will start to auto-detect halt at the position of half diameter distance. Program input. Setup processing condition. 1. Refer to the enclosed machining data. Dielectric fluid. 1. Select the proper WL value and activate high pressure pump. May adjust the upper-lower flushing knobs to improve the dielectric condition. For instance, at approach. Check wire traveling system. 1. Set up the proper WF and WT first. 2. Wire travel well and get wire threading. 3. Confirm wire break detector works. Processing start. 1. Before 3 mm cut has been proceeded, set 1 and AN to minor values. 2. Adjust the flushing knobs and make wire pack with dielectric fluid completely. 3. Press machining start button. 4. When the processing is in 3 mm, can consider the desired speed to increase WL value and keep same upper-lower flushing pressure. 5. Consider the entire desired machining performance and to adjust other working conditions. 6. Fine-tune FR to make a stable machining voltage. Processing finished. 1. When finished, the job is according with program, wire feed, wire tension, flushing and machining power entire stop. Buzzer will sound. 2. When press start button for emergency start button anytime, machine also stop.